All right, guys, today we will practice. We will have a practice about exponents. The exercise 1 is here. Consider the expression to the power of -4. I will write it in here one more time. And times to the power of 2. Right? In exponents, guys, in exponents, multiplication turns into, Amir, what is that, Amir? Multiplication turns into
division.
addition, right? Multiplication turns into addition. Guys, do you remember it well?
Addition.
Do you remember it? Do you remember?
Yeah.
All right, thank you, Alex. So it will be to the power of, you can use your calculator, of course, and -4 plus 2, and -4 plus 2 is -2. Another question for you is, how we can guys change negative exponent to positive exponent? How we can change it later? How we can change negative exponent to positive exponent?
We flip them.
Yeah, you flip it, right? And now, if you flip it, imagine guys, there's an imaginary one in here. If you divide any number by 1, so you are not changing anything actually. You can put 1 in here. This number 5 is the same as what? 5 over 1. If you divide any number by 1, it's not actually changing anything. It is the same thing. So you can put 1 under any number you have. Let's say 100, right? You can divide 100 by 1. Still it's a smiley face. You see that? It's a smiley face. Now, 2 over 1. If you flip it, what it will be 2 over 1? 1 over 2. But when you flip it, this -2 will be +2. Alright? So that's it. Multiply these two quantities by the first, combining the two exponents using the approximate property. So it is actually what we did in the previous one, in part A, and I didn't read the question in the previous one. And so it is just asking you to add it. Let's do it one more time. And now what it will be is to the power of -2, and it will be equal to 1 over to the power of 4. That's actually one. It looks weird, but I will fix it. Okay, the first one is, I will erase this one, and I will do it one more time. Multiply these two quantities by first evaluating to the power of -4 and to the power of 2. To the power of -4 means that 1 over to the power of 4, and the second one is to the power of 2. What will happen is in here, to the power of 2 times 1 is itself, it is to the power of 2. This one is to the power of 4. And here, Alex, division turns into Alex. Is Alex here? Yes, Alex. Alex, division turns into? I can hear you, Alex. Division turns into? Show your fingers. Which one? Subtraction, addition.
It turns into multiplication.
What? Alex, come on now. Division in exponent turns into? Subtracting the exponents. Do you remember, Alex? Do you remember? But this one is addition, Alex. This one is the second one is addition, but the first one, division turns into subtraction. All right, I'm kidding, Alex. Yes. And 2 minus 4
I can
is
hear you now.
-2. You see that we got the same thing. To the power of -2 is, and it is, all right, to the power of -2 is 1 over to the power of +2 because we need to flip it. Okay, now the next one is number 2. All right, number 2. Let's do number 2 now. Okay, let me read very quick. Number 2. Amir,
Yeah.
multiplication in exponents turns into
Addition.
awesome, Amir. You see that if the headphone is like this, guys, you have to guys add the exponents. Negative 3 plus 5. If the headphone is like normal headphone like this, negative 3 plus 5 will be 2, guys. This one is positive 2. Awesome. And here is is my voice break up? Do you hear me well?
Yeah, I hear you well.
Okay, Alex, I see your face so nice. Okay, now here. How about this one, guys? How about this one?
Addition.
Addition, very nice, Amir. And total power of 5 plus negative 8 is negative 3. And later, how we can change negative exponents to positive exponents? Yes, flip it, right? Total power of 3. 1 over though, right? Because if it is at the top, you send it to the bottom. So when you send it to the bottom, it will be 1 over to the power of 3. Don't forget this keyword. Don't forget this keyword. If you have negative exponents, you have to flip it. All right? Upside down. Upside down. Now, how about this one, ladies and gentlemen? How about this one? Let me see. Desmond! Desmond, are you here? Desmond? Oh, Desmond is not here? Desmond is absent, I think. Okay. Who else? Let me see, guys. Jeremy! Jeremy! Multiplication turns into Jeremy.
Addition.
Very nice, Jeremy. Negative 2 plus 2 is 0. Jeremy, what is anything to the power of 0, Jeremy?
1.
Yeah, it is equal to 1. Awesome. Anything to the power of 0 is 1. Daniel Chacapino.
Yeah.
Division turns into
Subtraction.
6 to the power of 2 minus 5, Daniel, is negative 3, right? Jeremy, Daniel, how we can change negative exponent to positive exponent?
What?
How we can change negative exponent to positive exponent? Daniel?
You flip it.
Absolutely. Thank you. Thank you, Daniel. Yes, awesome. That's it. Italia! Is Italia here?
Yeah.
Yeah. Italia, division turns into an If
Subtract.
exponent division is not division, right? It turns into
Subtraction.
awesome, Italia. 4 to the power of negative 1 minus 3. Negative 4. Italia, one more question on it. How we can change negative exponent to positive exponent? What was the keyword?
Flip it.
Yes. Flip it. 1 over. Imagine, guys, if you want to get help, you can put 1 in here. 4 over 1 will be 1 over 4. It will be 1 over 4 to the power of 4. That's it. Now, here, Lamia.
Yeah.
Again, the division turns into
Subtraction.
yeah. But be careful, Lamia. This is tricky one. 5 to the power of, guys, this one is tricky. Look, 1 minus, yes, it is subtraction, but the second one is also negative. 1 minus negative 2. And 2 negative makes always, if you see 2 negative signs next to each other, you can combine them and make it to positive. So what it will be now? 1 plus 2. What is 1 plus 2? 3. Awesome. Yes. Okay. Let's go to the bottom. Danal is not here yet. Danal. Danal doesn't hear me.
Yeah. Hello.
Awesome, Danal, you are here. Awesome. Danal, in exponents, division turns into
Subtraction.
awesome, Danal. That's it. What it will be? 7 to the power of -1 minus 2. You can use your calculator guys for that -3. Awesome, Danal. Last question for you, Danal. How we can change negative exponent to positive exponent?
I don't know.
You buy? Who wants to help Danal? Who wants to help Danal?
Flip it.
Flip it, right? Flip it. Danal, this is 7/1, right? You can flip it. When you flip it, if it's at the top, it will be sending to the bottom, all right? So it will be 1/7 to the power of 3. Right? That's it. Okay, what is it equal to? This one is equal to this. All right, 1/7 cube. Do we have 1/7 cube? No. Okay, this one is next to that. Oh my God. Are we stuck? 1 is 1. Alex, do you think 7 cube is 7 times 3? Do you think 7 cube means 7 times 3?
Yes.
What?
I mean, no.
What
I
is
mean,
that?
yeah, no.
What is that?
It is 7/7/3.
Yeah,
It's
7 times 7 times
7.
7. Okay. What is 7 times 7? 49. What is 49 times 7? Let me multiply it. It should be 240. I need 300. 343. Do we have such an answer? Which one? Which one? Oh, it is 1. Okay, it is 1. It is 1. All right, ladies
Can I
and
go now?
gentlemen.
I'm
All
ready.
right.
Can I leave?
Thank you, Alex. Alex, thank you. All right, guys, let's do the second page. Okay, let me see. Who is the next? Sonia! Sonia!
Here.
Yes, thank you, Sonia. You are here. So to the power of -1 to the power of 3. That's the power of a what? Power method, right? Power of a power method. If you have 2 powers, if you have 2 exponents, what are you doing for that? What was the rule? Sonia,
Do you add?
are we supposed to add? How about this? Let's say to the power of -1 times to the power of 3. What are you doing in here? What are you doing in here? Isn't it addition?
Yeah.
Okay, it was addition. It will be to the power of 2. But if you think 2 exponents just for one base, you see that there are 2. There's only one,
Yeah.
which is 2. But we have 2 exponents for it. If you have 2 exponents, that's the power of a power method, right? They have to crash. What operation is it? Isn't it multiplication?
Yeah.
Okay, what is -1 times 3? Negative.
It's -3.
Yeah, and it is -3. Okay, so yeah, how we can change negative exponent to positive exponent?
You flip it.
But it will be to the power of 3. That's it. And don't forget the difference. Do you understand the difference between these two? This is addition, but this one is multiplication.
Multiplication.
Awesome. Okay, it is asking you to evaluate it. Evaluation means that, guys, you have to write what is 2 cube. 2 cube means that 2 times 2 times 2. And 1 is 1, 2 times 2 is 4. And then 4 times 2 is 8. So the answer is 8. So 1 over 8. Okay. Sonia, does it make sense?
Yes.
Do you remember the property power over power method?
Yeah.
Okay, nice. Thank you. Appreciate it. All right. Next one. Next. Camera. Camera. Are you there? Cable is not here. Okay. Maida. Maida.
Yes.
Okay, Maida. Do you remember the name of this property? If you have two power, if you have two exponents, do you remember it?
No.
Power over power method, right? What operation we have to do for that?
Multiplication.
If you have two powers, it is called power over power method. Power over power method. And let me write in here, power over power method. There's another property, okay? So it is the actual third power we learned last week. If any base, you see that if base 3 has two powers, this one has two powers. What is it? The first one is -1 and the second one is 2. If any base has more than one exponent, you need to multiply and -1 times 3 is -2. But Maida, how we can change negative exponent to positive exponent? Maida. What was the keyword? How we can change negative exponent to positive exponent?
Flip it.
Maida, so much I have to do that. Okay, thank you. We are. Jana, are you here?
Did you say Jada or Jada? I cannot hear you.
J-A-I-N-A. Gina? Jana? 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 Isn't Jana? Jana Fan? Fan? Miss Fan? All right, guys. She's not here. Ella. Ella is here. Ella?
Yes.
Yes, Ella. This is the power over power method, right, Danny? There's a power and another power, and what we call it, power over power method. What operation we have to do for the Ella?
Multiplication.
Ella. And 5 to the power of what is negative 2 times negative 1, Ella?
2.
2, yeah. Am I supposed to select this one?
I can't hear you.
Or leave it like that? I know I'm showing you right now. And is it done? Then am I supposed to select this one, 5 to the power of 2?
Yeah.
Am I okay with positive exponent? Do I have any problem with positive exponent? We don't have any problem with positive exponent, right? The problem is only with, guys, negative exponent. Negative exponent. So this one is a positive exponent, so you can leave it like that. Thank you. Now, all right. Thank you a lot. You are awesome. Now, next. Elisa. 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 Elisa is there. Jeffrey. Jeffrey. Jeffrey is there. Desmond. Desmond.
It's 5.
Genesis. Genesis. Aymaya. Aymaya.
Oh my God, is there no one here?
These 40 there. Jeffrey, Jasmine, Janet.
There's 30 participants in here, but no one's at the computer.
Yeah, right. Aymaya. Okay, guys, here. I don't care what this number is. I don't.
Ha!
Yeah, Jeffrey. Are you here?
That was me.
Yeah, Jeffrey. What is anything to the power of 0, Jeffrey? Anything to the power of?
I'm not Jeff.
It's 1.
Yeah, it is equal to. Well,
Yeah, that's one.
yes, it is equal to. Thank you. Now, okay, Linda. What about any power over power method? What is power over power method?
You multiplied the powers together.
Yeah, right to negative 6. And how can we can change negative exponent to positive exponent? Really?
You would flip it.
Yeah, right. Yes. And Alex. Thank you, Alex. And we have 2 powers, 0 times negative.
I'm in the middle of the game.
What is anything to the power of 0, Alex?
1.
Yeah.
Stop, Lately. It's my turn.
Yeah, right, Alex. How about Amir? How about this one, Amir? Power over power method. And what operation we will use?
Multiplication, and you would get 8.
Yeah, awesome. Amir, you are amazing, guys. Thank you. Jeffrey, oğlum young, how many times I get you in the class? Okay, I think you are having kind of problem, but that's okay. Hopefully it will be resolved. And you will have.
This is an easy lesson.
It is right. Thank you, Amir. Thank you for your positive comment.
Mr. Screwed up exponents for me.
Yeah, right. Okay, now justify why the expression can be expressed as this. Okay, now what I am given 3 to the power of negative 5 times 3 to the power of 4, right? To the power of 1. So, what I can do inside the parenthesis, is this multiplication? Jeffrey, are you there? Jeffrey?
The answer.
Jeremy, are you there?
Can I say the answer?
Yes, come.
Wouldn't it be negative 20?
So okay, it will be
Wait, no.
addition, right?
9. Negative 9.
What is negative 5 plus 4 is about negative 5. This is
Negative 1.
Negative 1.
negative 1.
Negative
Perfect.
1.
What is the outside power? What is the outside exponent?
2.
So, is it power over power method? Is it power over power method?
Yeah.
Okay, let's multiply that. What is negative 1 times 2, ladies and gentlemen?
Negative 2.
Yes, very nice. How we can change it to positive?
Flip.
Flip it.
1/3.
Okay. So it is 3 square meter 3 times 3. Is it correct? What is 3 times 3?
9.
9.
Is it the same as this?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, we justify it. Right, we justify it. What we did first, I know this is multiplication. In exponent, multiplication turns into addition. I added negative 5 and 4 with the help of Amir. And negative 5 plus 4 is negative 1. I just put it in here. Negative 1. And then I have another power 2 in here. I put it right next to negative 1. I know it is called power over power method. If you have power over power method, you have to multiply that. I just multiply negative 1 by 2 with negative 4. And I remember from last week how we can change negative exponent to positive exponent. We have to flip it. And imagine there is a 1 here. 3 over 1 will be 1 over 3. And it will be 1 over 3 to the power of 2. Is it clear? All right, thank you. Now let's move to the next one. And this is the last one. Then we will end the session. The expression to the power of negative 2, and we have another guys 2 outside the parenthesis. Can be written in the form of 1 over n. Okay, where n is a whole number, determine the value of n. Okay, we will go. Guys,
Let's see.
this is easy, right? What is this one? What is the name of the property? What is the name of the property? Power over power. What operation we have to do for that?
Multiplication.
Yes, that's it. 3 times negative 2 is negative.
Negative 6.
Okay, this is done. This part is done. Okay, this is 2 to the power of negative 2. This is done. But I have 2 in here. Let me copy this 2 right here. What is the exponent of these 2? What is the exponent of these 2?
1.
1. Very nice, because I have only 1 through that. Multiplication turns into
Division.
addition.
Addition.
Very nice. Total power of negative 6 plus 1 is negative 5. Okay, how we can change negative exponent to positive exponent?
Flip.
Flip it to the power of positive 5. Okay, we are done. It is asking me if I can use this one. What is n then? What is n? 1 is equal to 1. And what is n then? N is equal to 2 to the power of 5. What is 2 to the power of 5? Is it equal to 10?
Yeah.
Is it?
No.
Is 2 to the power of 5 means 2 times 5 or 2 times 2 times 2 times?
32.
Yeah, 32. 32. Who said it? Thank you. Yes, it is 32. Thank you. What is n then? N is equal to 32.
32.
Yes. What we did in here, ladies and gentlemen, let's go over what we did. First, I simplified this one. What is this one equal to? There's a power over power method, 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. It is right here. Total power of negative 6. But I have another 2 in here. I put 2 here. And then multiplication turns into addition. Negative 6 plus 1 is negative 5. I know how to change it equal to positive 1. And this is, it must be to write this one in this form, and they should be equal to each other. S1 is equal to 1, and is equal to the power of 5, which is 32. All right, guys, I will end the session here. Thank you so much. Tomorrow we will move on to a new topic, but you need a calculator, guys. If you don't have a calculator,